Hello guys, welcome back to Tupanjus. Today in this video I'm going to review the Infinix Note 12. Like it's a 5G smartphone. It comes with a Marvel Studio, Doctor Strange, Metaverse of the Madness. And I'm going to briefly about this mobile. It's a 5G mobile. You can see here it's a Note 12 5G. This mobile is equipped with Density 810 MediaTek 6nm processor, like a Hyper Engine 2.0. The display is like a 17 by 0 centimeters AMOLED Full HD plus True Color display, and it comes with a 12 5G band. You can this is the latest 5G smartphones coming from MediaTek chipset, and it has a 33 watts supercharged 5000 microamps for long lasting charging. It has three cameras. One is main camera is 50 megapixel, a triple camera super night mode. And I'm quickly unbox this mobile right now. Like this. I just remove top now I'm going to take out the mobile. I'm placing this mobile as said before showing all the details. Now I'm in this box. We have some welcome exclude. I don't know what it is. I didn't go exactly about this. I'm keeping it aside. We have a manual, and as well as we have a charger. It's a 33 watts fast charging Infinix charger in box, and along with this we have a cable. This is the cable, white color charger, and along with white color cable we have a ejector pin. It's a square. Previously we have come with a circular oval shape ejector pin. Now along with that we have a case. Coming to this case doesn't look premium. The quality of this case is not so good. It's okay, but this case can't resist you from damage. Like when it falls from your mobile, it says it can hold, it can stop little bit shocks, but it is a big accident. It cannot protect your mobile from damaging from screen. That's what you have to buy new cover. I'm keeping it aside. Now I'm going to show you this mobile. This the Note Infinix. In this we have a few specifications. Already explained about that, a MediaTek chipset. Now I am taking this cover. In this cover we have this is the mobile. I am going to quickly switch on this one. Before switch on, I am going to show you the back view. It comes with the 5G chipset, Infinix 5G chipset. Here is the both of the cameras are there. One is 15 megapixel main camera. One is I didn't go through the camera setup. I think one is 8 megapixel wide, and one I think so two. One is 2 megapixel macro pixel. We have a lens, and the camera specification we go deeper. This comes with a 50 megapixel main camera, f1.6 aperture, a 27 mm a5 HP, and we are going to the I'm not going to set up this mobile. Let's check English. Next, here we are going to insert here we need to here we need to install a basing ejector. This is the SIM slot. Now I'm going to show you here. Here we have a 3.5 mm jack and Type-C charging, as well as speakers here over here, and top of that we don't have anything else. Here is we have a volume button, and this is a power button. Now I'm going to set up this mobile. Asking for a SIM card. I'm going to skip this one right now and skip this. I'm going to skip everything. Next. I'm going to click next. It was asking for setup. I'm not going to give setup. I'm going to accept, skip, I'm going to skip everything. I'm not going to show you. We have two types of option: desktop style and classic. I'm going with a. It comes with a exhaust. Welcome to exhaust 10.6.1. It will take some time to. It comes with a base on Android 12 operating system. Previously, most of the mobiles are Android 11. Now they introduced in the Android 11 option. I'm going to deeper into setting. Here we're going to know everything. It's like my phone Note. Here is a it comes with the XOS based on Android V10.6.0. The mobile name is Infinity Note 12 5G and Infinity X671 and model. It comes with Android 12 version. It comes with a Helio D810, and front side we have a 16 megapixel, and rear camera is like a 50 megapixel. Along with it's a, like you can see here, 6 GB plus 1 GB RAM and 64 GB internal memory. And it comes with a 5000 mAh battery, and the screen resolution is 1080x2400. Here is some of the information about this mobile. In description I'll mention about this. Before doing any proper research, I just started making these videos. I got this from my friend, and that's why I'm making this. I want to make more videos like this. I hope you like this video. Make sure subscribe to my video for more interesting videos like this. But this mobile doesn't capable for gaming purpose because the like a MediaTek chipset like a D810 is not that great for gaming purpose. If you are moderate user, go through, you can get this mobile. According to price point, I don't know about the price point. I will just give the link in description. Go through that. If your prices are below 10 to 15, you can afford it. More than 15, please don't go for this mobile. We have fingerprint unlock and face unlock. Everything is there. It's okay, reasonable. If it's a, once again I'm going to tell you, it's a 5G smartphone. I hope you like this video. Make sure subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay tuned.